Hi guys, so I'm back with my tempeh, and now it's just pan frying, literally just pan frying. Tempeh, that is tempeh, just pan frying there. I'm gonna make a little sauce to go with it. This is just something I made right as we speak. Guys, I'm literally just gonna let this cook down a little bit more. I did about 3 to 4 teaspoons in total, I would say. So I use the bottom of the cook. I have a recipe on the tempeh. Once again on my channel, check it out, guys. I can't help myself with my little salt, my little concoctions. So basically, I've got a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. I've got a little bit of, say, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of dried thyme, and I've got I had a little bit of leftover barbecue sauce. I'm just going to use it as a bit juice. So I'm going to barbecue it up. It's still kind of dry frying in the pan. As you can hear, I added the nutritional yeast and the sesame oil situation to the tempeh. I would normally put like soy sauce in it, but because it's well seasoned already, I find it would be pretty salty if I added soy sauce this time around as well. So I just added that. So yeah guys, basically it's in the juice with the nutritional yeast and stuff. It is such a good protein based alternative. Guys, I'm now going to add my little my barbecue sauce concoction. Just cook it over like so. My rice is done. So guys, as I'm making it barbecue, I have more barbecue sauce. One barbecue sauce, so this is actually soy sauce. No drips and drops and leftovers, so that's sauce. So I'm gonna add some to that. But yeah, I've added, say, that's about 3 teaspoons, or 3 tablespoons, should I say, of barbecue sauce. Extra barbecue sauce. So then let that cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then so guys, I've set my oven, to like 150, 120 degrees. I'm gonna actually put the tempeh in the oven for a little while. Just give it a little bit of an oven bake. Just the pan, like so. So let's just do a taste test, a beautiful taste test. There we go, guys. Well, you might not be able to see it properly, but it's tempeh, white rice, barbecued and pan fried. Barbecued and in pan fried, then ovened for 10 minutes. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Guys, the only thing about tempeh is the texture is quite soft-ish. So like, I say oven baking it is a good way for you to get more of a, I don't know if you want to say meatier texture, but thank you guys for watching this video. Please share, like, and subscribe. And I see you all. Wassalam to enjoy this meal. Peace out.